Finding a way to track a problem plaguing police departments, officers taking their own lives.
Two Missouri senators want the FBI to step in to help with this. 41 Action News reporter Andres Gutierrez talked with KCPD and how this could save lives.
What is predictable is preventable.
It's a strategy lawmakers are now using to save the lives of the men and women who protect and serve our communities.
It's not so much that the job is stressful. Human beings are not designed to see and to process traumatic events day in and day out.
Tragically, in some cases, officers die by suicide. It's a growing problem within law enforcement nationwide. In New York City, 10 officers have taken their lives so far this year.
To go for help is not a weakness, it's a strength. And there are so many different ways to get help.
In February, KCPD lost an officer to suicide. His family is supporting a new piece of legislation introduced by Missouri Senators Josh Hawley and Roy Blunt. It's called the Law Enforcement Suicide Data Collection Act. It would require the FBI to track suicides and attempted suicides within law enforcement agencies. The mother of that KCPD officer said in part, "As an educator, I understand the importance of data collection to identify trends and the effect of intervention on evaluating outcomes. As a mother who has lost her son, why would I not support legislation that could possibly save another family the heartache we've had to endure?"
You have to know what you're dealing with. You have to know what you're up against.
Besides offering yoga, KCPD's police chief Rick Smith is advocating to get an in-house psychologist to help officers, something he's pushed for since taking the helm 2 years ago. This recent Department of Justice study found that 9 out of 11 cities similar to the size of Kansas City have at least one psychologist on staff.
You can have that established relationship already, so you don't feel like you're talking to somebody on the other end of a phone line.
And now, last year, Missouri lawmakers did pass legislation to establish a peer support program within KCPD. There are several officers undergoing training for that program. They hope to have it up and running by the end of this year. Reporting live outside police headquarters in downtown Kansas City tonight, I'm Andres Gutierrez, 41 Action News.
All right, thanks, Andres. And anytime we talk about suicide, we want to make sure we give you this number. If anyone you know or is in some sort of a crisis right now, this is the National Suicide Prevention Hotline. It is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's someone to talk to there. They can help get you directed in the right direction and give you resources as well.